Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make money and get rich in Arena Breakout Infinity. Now, Arena Breakout Infinity is a high-stakes extraction looter shooter where finding and extracting rare loot is the primary route to wealth, okay? So, first of all guys, go into a raid with a certain money plan. Do not just go in to kill people and to frag mindlessly because this is not going to help you towards your plan of getting rich, okay? You're not there to just kill people, but you're there to aim for 2 or 3 maybe at the most high value targets. These are going to be marked in red or in gold, okay? You can just go to the map and you can basically find the different saves and different, maybe high value items that you're going to find. And then you basically want to loot efficiently, okay? So you want to focus on a couple of these items without getting killed, preferably. And just make sure to respect that you have like a count, you have a timer, okay? So you cannot spend too much time just, dwelling around, okay? You have to extract the items and then you have to extract safely. You can open the map again and you can see the different extraction points. As you can see, you're gonna have to pay a certain amount of money to fulfill a certain conditions in some of them. But yeah, just keep in mind that you can extract when you have enough items. And then after that, you can sell the items and you can get rich. So yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.